Howdy, Montana Drone here. For those of you that didn't see my last range test with the Mavic Air 2, I took it out over 18,000 feet and I only got it back within about 1,000 feet of myself, and I drew the battery down to 0%. Then I spent over an hour searching for it on the side of a mountain. This time's a little different. I had a nice non-windy day for a change. Took it out, flew like a champ, and to see how far I went, you have to stick around and watch the footage. There's also a little surprise in the beginning, some Montana wildlife. So as always, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Gonna take off here. Got an ND filter on today.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Gonna let it sit there for a second. Go ahead and record this. All right, I'm at 99% battery. I'm gonna take it up around 100 feet. Jake, I gotta jump in the truck for a second. I don't have a sunshade for this thing yet. There, we'll go with +3. Running it in normal mode. I saw some antelope up here I want to film. See if they're still kicking it. Not really seeing them now, but it's pretty bright out here. They were down there a ways, huh, Jake?
Yeah.
Oh, I see them. Cool. See how close I can get to them. Yeah. Oh, now they're taking off running. Wasn't really trying to chase them. Just filming them for a minute. All right. I don't want to disturb them too much. Just flying in normal mode today. A little windy. Seems like the lower I get, the worse connection I have with these things. Coming up on 1 mile. Over a mile. Wind is picking up. Might be hard to tell because I'm using a mic today. I'm just gonna fly it till this thing says low battery. So this is a test of the ND filter too. ND 264, I believe. Well, I'm over 2 miles, 73% battery. Doing a lot better today, but I'm not gonna really push it. The wind's a lot less. 14,000 feet. Perfect FPV over 15,000 feet, 70% battery. I don't think it'll make 18,000 without that battery alarm going off. I'm taking it to 19,000, then I'm hitting return to home. Starting to break up right there. We'll take it to 20,000. Breaking up a little bit. All right, returning to home. Well, that's the farthest I've ever gone, 20,000. Auto returning to home, over 20,000, just a little bit, but I could have kept going. I really don't want to risk it. This thing's still brand new to me. I don't know that I trust the Fly app. I'm gonna let it come by itself, but that was in normal mode. Did better this time. Looks like she's flying like a champ. The wind's at its back, so hopefully that helps it. I don't want to take it to 0 today. That's my goal. 39% battery. Should be easy money from here. I'm gonna make it back with battery to spare. I just didn't want to push it too hard because it is kind of hit and miss on the wind. I'm gonna make this no problem. So that's my farthest flight yet, over 20,000 feet. I'm back with battery to spare. See if I can land it. Not very good.